Welcome to EBI SQL e-Invoice sharing. We proudly invite Mr. Bryan Cheong, who is the ambassadors and speakers of SQL accounting software. He is a CEO of Syntax Technology as well. We are going to share a series of Q&A about e-Invoice to all of you. If you are first time watching this video, please watch our previous video so that you can get the better understanding of e-Invoice. What is the 51 field that included in the e-Invoice?
Basically, under e-Invoice, there are 51 fields that are required in an e-Invoice. What? Some of them are mandatory and some of them are optional. Basically, it's almost very similar with what is the information required in an invoice nowadays. Example, supplier name, address, phone number, contact person, email, customer name, email, address, contact person, and phone number. Then beside that, the product or service informations, quantity, unit price. If you have SST, then what type of SST, the SST amount, the rate, the total amount before SST, the tax amount, and also the total amount include SST. Some information are very specific. Example, you must get the approval from LHDN. So that's why in your e-invoice, you must have the approval date, approval code, approval time. And by this information, your e-invoice need to generate an QR code. And some of the payment information that's stated in the 51 fields are optional. So you can skip the payment information right now. So you can refer to this picture. What are the 51 fields required?
I understand that there's something called TIN number required in the e-invoice. So what are the TIN number basically?
TIN number is actually called tax identification number. It's your tax number. For example, for Sdn Bhd, your tax number will be your C number. And for personal, your tax number or TIN number will be your SG number.
So in fact, I'm very impressed with Bryan's name card, which included the TIN number in the name card. I believe that this is the first companies who already include the TIN number in the name card and get ready and prepared for e-invoice.
Yes, I think I'm the first one who put in TIN number in the name card. This is because we must remember in e-invoice era, when your employee want to do claims, whether the e-invoice is under the company name or they need to provide company information to the supplier, they need to have the company's TIN number, registration number, address, and so on. So that's why I put in the TIN number so that I'm preparing for invoice. This is why you want to watch our series to understand e-invoicing so that you can prepare earlier.
Yeah, so if you do not know what is your TIN number, please check and get ready. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you, Bryan. Stay tuned for our next video. Bye.